students, let us continue with the next question of exercise 11.2, that is question number 3. In this question, we have to construct again a triangle where the base is given and base angle that also is given. This time again they have given the difference between the remaining two sides of the triangle. So you must be surprised and feel that this question is like the same that which we have done the previous one, question 2. That of a triangle base given, base angle is given, and the difference between the two sides are given. So now let us understand, students, this question is different, or the construction which we'll do to obtain triangle PQR of given measures. This question, the construction should be done slightly different way which we have already done. Now how do we identify that this construction which we are going to do, that is 3, and which we have done, that is question 2. How we can identify that which method we should do it? So let us first we construct this triangle, and then we find out how we can understand which is the way when the certain kind of question will come into the exam. So again we will construct the base here. As it is given 6 cm, so we construct 6 cm line segment here. So let us construct here QR, that is of 6 cm. This is Q, this is point R. As the angle Q is given, that is base angle, so we should construct 60 degree at point Q. So again any arbitrary radius you can take, Q as a center, and we should construct an arc. This is 0 degree, then we construct an arc, so it forms 60 degree. Let us construct a ray. But remember students, this time you have to construct a ray, that means you extend the ray in the opposite direction also. That is, you have to remember when you do this construction. I told you, I will tell you that how we come to know that we have to extend this, or it should be like the same which we have done the previous one. That we'll discuss at the end of this construction. Now the rest of the methods would be the same. The difference of the two sides are given 2 cm. So let us take the length of the radius, that is 2 cm. From point Q, this time we should construct the arc below. That means we can say the opposite ray of QX. The opposite ray, we construct that 2 cm arc. Let us give that point E again the same way. We should join ER. Now we'll construct the perpendicular bisector of ER. For that we should take the length of the radius more than half of ER. One arc on the upper side of ER, one arc on the lower side. We should keep the same radius. From another point E, we should draw the arc upper side, lower side, which must intersect the previous arc. Join this. So as we can see that it intersects the angle Q, that is ray QX, at a point. Let us give that point P. Join point P with P with R. So the required triangle PQR we obtain. So as PR minus PQ is 2, the difference of two values is positive. So PR must be greater than PQ. So let us identify and check whether it is right or wrong. We can see here PR is 5.1 centimeter. And let us find out what the length of PQ is. The length of PQ is 3.1. So when we do the difference, we will obtain the value that is of 2 centimeter. Now let's come to the basic. That means how do we come to know that the arc of the difference value we should draw on the upper side or the lower side. So how do we come to know? So let us see the previous question and this question. The previous question, if you remember it, they have given the value of base BC, which is 6 centimeter. Angle B is given 45, and they have given the difference of AB minus AC, that is 3.5. Now let me explain you how do we come to know that we should draw the arc on the upper side or the lower side of the angle. It is very important, so please understand this very clearly. Here the base angle which is given, AB, angle B. So the side which is greater, so base angle is one of the vertex of the greater side. मतलब जो angle हमें B दिया है, that vertex is a vertex of a side which is greater. मतलब वो greater side का vertex है यहाँ पे. B lies in AB. Lies नहीं बोल सकते, मगर B is a vertex of AB. Look at this question. The angle Q which is measured given here, that is the vertex of the smaller side here. This is how you can identify. It's very simple but very interesting method to identify. Easiest way. The angle which is given here, that is the vertex of the smaller side, and the angle which were given in the previous question, that was the vertex of the larger side. So if it is the larger side vertex, the as usual method, we should draw the arc on the upper. But if it is on the lower side, that means the smaller part, we should draw the arc in the lower side. I hope you understand this one. Let us see the justification of this construction. So the perpendicular bisector which we have constructed of here, let us give that point M. Again you can see the two triangles are formed here, PMR and PME. So we will show the correspondence for triangle PMR and triangle PME. Again the same, you can see that both angles M, that is right angle, PM which is common side, and as it is a perpendicular bisector, so EM is same as MR because M is midpoint. So both the triangles are congruent, is congruent with PME by using side angle side. As this both the triangles are congruent, we can say that the corresponding sides are also equal. That means PR equals to P. This is we have written using CPCT. Now you can see here that PE, this value as we discussed, Q is equals to 2. So we can say that PE minus PQ, that is equals to QE. But as we discuss, PR and P are same, so this can be written as P, PQ. The value of QE that we have taken of 2 centimeter. Hence, this is justify the construction. I hope you understand this one. Thank you.